I just spray painted my exhaust tip that I got from Amazon to make it look a little cooler for my Z400 motorcycle red with this VHT flame proof stuff. I'm gonna take off that church mouse exhaust and put on something cooler. Well, I'll get to it in a minute. A little mess here to clean up. Z400 stock exhaust. This is my Amazon painted one. It was silver. Painted it. I kind of messed up there. I might put a sticker over it if I can get a high heat sticker. It already came like that with that coloration, so kind of matches. Oh, came with a bunch of little parts, so I gotta figure this out. Let's start with this. Of course, I gotta get the shield off so I can see what I'm doing. There's gotta be another one. I'll get back to you. That wasn't too bad. It was actually just on that little brace right there. This little nub, this part right here was hanging inside the brace and it was tightened. And then this little pocket right here is where it slides in. So you just gotta slide it down and off once you loosen everything. That bolt. This one. So now we're looking just at this part. Let's see. This exhaust. It's probably gonna be a 12. It's gonna be a 12 millimeter. Brand new bike, so all the bolts are not rusted, which is perfect. Doing this on a bike that has a lot more miles and weather exposure could be a lot more difficult if it had rust. Let's see. Let me take this out. I'm gonna take this out completely. See what happens. What is it held on by? I think this is just pinched, so let me spread this out. Gotta spread that out a little bit, so let me get some hands. Here. You gotta take this brace off right here. And you might have to hold it from both sides, it looks like. So probably a 10 millimeter. Something else. 10 and a 12. It's not a 10 and a 10. This is 10, that's 12. 10 and 12. I'm gonna stick this guy back of it while I get my yeah, I got going on. It's perfect. Wrench right there, and this. Oh yeah, there you go. It's tough while holding the phone. There you go. Just like that. Not sure if this voids your warranty. I hope not. Wouldn't think so. I can always switch it back before I go in. But it's too quiet right now. So we're gonna try this out for 65 bucks. 70 with taxes and shipping, pretty much. Let's go. Oh, there we go. It should be coming off pretty soon here. Pulling it backwards. Sliding back. God, this thing's heavy. What did they put in here? Jesus. Seriously, that weighs like 40, 50 pounds. And this is maybe 10. I just stuffed it up. Always figuring it out. Got the clamp that it came with right here. Tightening it up pretty good. I almost want to shave that off. But it's fine. Nice and tight. This one. TinkeringTom, baby. This paint job needs to be redone, but I'll just get the other one later. Black finish. But it's whatever right now. Test run. I don't know if I like this exhaust. Here. Let me tighten that up, and what else do we need here? Probably nothing really. We'll be right back. Like I said, the paint needs to be redone, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. I might just order the black one later. I don't know. That was all the shield. I don't really need the shield. It's one, it won't fit on there anymore. And two, yeah. Just don't touch the pipe. I don't think I need all this other stuff it came with, to be honest. So I'll give it a start up here in a second. Let me get some water.